Okay, I put the carburetor back on, put the gas tank back on. Gas tank, one bolt holds the gas tank on. So put the carburetor back on, hooked up the fuel lines and the ventilation line, the drainage lines. Put the gas tank back on. I actually pulled it. It did fire one time. I might have to adjust the idle screws and stuff on it. It wouldn't stay running. So I'm gonna pull it again here. I have to set the phone down because I can't. I had to pull the ripcord and then hold the throttle at the same time. So bear with me.